Now let me explain the main function. You can start with a comment. Alignment is important. First, make use of infinite while loop. Menu should be displayed in the computer's monitor. You can enter your choice. So C is equal to R choice. Now for the time being, you can make use of pass and write if else if else if. And I think 4 is exiting from the program. Yes, 4 is exiting from the program. So here you should make use of break. And finally you can write wrong choice. Wrong choice. Now if choice equal to 1, it is inserting data into the CSV file, and for inserting data you can call the function wd, and before that the list must be entered from the keyboard. Okay, so first the list must be entered. After that, using this function the data can be written to the CSV file. So choice equal to 1, writing data. So first the list must be entered from the keyboard. Then you can call the function wd and the list must be written to the file. Remember, these are data rows. Before writing data row, the heading row must be written. That is very important. So before infinite while loop, here the heading row must be written. So you can create a list by the name heading. And what are the headings? The first one, item code. It's given here. The headings are item code, name, price and quantity. Okay, so here heading item code IC, second heading item name, third one price, and the last one quantity. So don't change the order, it's better to follow the same order, price and quantity. So I created a heading row or a heading list. First, this row or this list must be written to the CSV file. How can you write data to a CSV file? You can call this function. So this time it is not L, the list is there in this variable heading. So variables are case sensitive. Okay, so kindly make a note of this point. After that, in the infinite while loop, you can read the data row and the data row can be written to the CSV file. Now choice equal to 2, display the CSV file. See, display the CSV file. So for that you can call the function show. Now choice equal to 3, search for an item name. So first the item name that you want to search, that must be entered from the keyboard. So no need to use a separate function, you can read it here. Enter the item name to be searched. So if you want to continue in the next line, backward slash, then here you can start double quotes and just continue. Okay, so the meaning of backward slash, this statement continues here. Okay, so INA contains the item name that you want to search. Now you can call the search function, search, and here INA. So you can save the file. Okay. Now choice equal to 4, you exit from the program, otherwise wrong choice. Now this program was already executed, so manually let me delete the file. D drive, class 12, files, so stock.csv. So this stock.csv is somewhere here. Let me check the file. Oh, it is given here as product.csv. So this file is not created. So this file is not created. So no need to delete any file. This is not created. So now you are in a position to run the program. Use the functional key F5. Save your program. Use the functional key F5. First you need to insert the data. So you should start with option number 1. Enter the item code 10. Enter the item name bread. Enter the price 100. Enter the quantity 1. Again option number 1. Let me use option number 1 2 more times. Enter the item code 20. Item name butter. Price 500. Quantity 2. Again one more time. Option number 1. Enter the item code 30. Item name jam. Price 200. Quantity 3. Now you can display all the stock. Yeah, 3 items are there. Even the heading row is displayed. You can see that. Now let me search for an item in the CSV file. Let me check whether butter is there in the CSV file or not. Okay, so let me go for option number 3. Enter the item name to be search butter. So you can see search record found, details are given below. Now let me search for an item that's not there in the CSV file. So let me use option number 3 second time. Oh, I did not enter any option. So let me run the program. F5. Again you don't have to insert because it is already saved in the file. Let me use option number 3. Enter the item name to be search pencil. It's not there. Search record not found. Let me search for one more item that is there. Option number 3 jam. You can see the search record found and the details are given below. Now suppose if I type 99, you can see wrong choice, and in order to exit from the program it is option number 4. Exit. So as I always say, for the practical exam the complete menu driven program is there. For the theory exam you need to concentrate on the function. Most probably you can expect the search function. Okay, and for the theory exam the item name that you want to search will not be passed as an argument. This must be entered inside the function. That's the only change for the theory exam. So this will not be given as an argument. You will have to read it inside the function. Okay.